As we venture down the roads of the modern age, we are accompanied by cars equipped with marvelous technologies, such as blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control. But what happens when these advanced systems succumb to the brutal forces of a collision? That's where DB Orlando Collision excels. We operate with an unwavering commitment to help you and your family get back on the road with confidence and assurance that the vehicle's integrity has been completely restored to pre-loss condition. When it comes to choosing a collision repair service, most of us put our trust in our insurance companies. Unfortunately, insurers and their partnered facilities prioritize profit over safety. At DB Orlando Collision, we are dedicated to providing our clients with unparalleled service and transparency. Don't let your collision repair become yet another accident. Take control of your repairs today and entrust your vehicle to the experts at DB Orlando Collision.